Hey everyone, Mark here, Printed 3D Design, and today I'm going to show you a product that is probably more familiar with you, bringing back an old design, the DIY camera arm. This camera arm is completely powder coated, comes with a strap, comes with the arm. It lays completely flat, and you can check all the specs out on my website. I'm going to show you how to install the camera arm on the tree. It is a unique camera arm in that it is completely flat, so it packs nicely in your backpack. And then the strap itself is an OCB, or over the center buckle, versus a ratchet strap, which keeps everything very silent when you're installing, and also solid on the tree. And I can show you that. So I'm going to hang that here right now off of my saddle and show you the OCB and the install of the camera arm. With the strap, the OCB buckle, before you start the install of the camera arm, you're going to take the strap, and it's going to come with one end with a clip to make a loop on the end of your strap and the OCB buckle. So you're going to take this apart, and you're going to wrap that around the tree. You're going to run the tag end from the metal clip end through the brass end of the OCB buckle, and you're going to clip that on to the metal clip that's on the strap. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pop that open, that OCB buckle open, and you're going to pull that tight, but not push this over. So what you're doing is you're allowing space for that strap and the camera arm to be installed. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your camera arm. You want to back out the adjustment screw just a little bit. Turn your standoff so the standoff is pivoting, and then you're going to take the knob end and run that up through the strap, okay, and put that up on the tree and run the strap down as far down as you can on the back post. And you're going to roughly level with the top level the arm, and this is going to be important so that you can make sure that once the arm is extended, there is a level on the end, but you also want to make sure that you have a nice solid and level base. So you're going to look at that top level till it is centered, and this is where you make the adjustment based on the tree that you have and are setting up on. Okay, and then ultimately you've got that all set, and now you can reach over and push that OCB buckle over, and now you're extremely tight. Okay, and that's going to create the base. You can adjust it, make sure everything is level again. You get a couple more turns on that adjustment screw, you're going to be very tight, and from there you're pretty much ready to hunt. Ultimately, the arm itself is just the arm. You're going to need it to provide a fluid head and the camera, obviously, that you'll be filming with. But basically this arm then allows you to wrap around a sizable tree. When you're saddle hunting, you're facing the tree, you need to be able to wrap around it. So it has 3 sections in order for you to do that. Here, I have a very limited number of stock on hand, but I will be opening up a pre-order. So let me know how interested you are, and get in with the pre-order, and that allows me to know how many to make for the upcoming 2026 season.